Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the Lazada affiliate program. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lazada website. So this is the web application right here. So if you do not have an account on Lazada, all you need to do is to launch any browser of your choice. From any browser, look at the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of the screen. Type lazada.com.ph and it's going to take you right into the website where you're going to be asked to, of course, create an account. So go ahead at the top right corner to go through the processes of creating an account. And once you're done, it's going to take you to the Lazada homepage. So I'm just going to have to hit back to the homepage. And from the homepage, you can now navigate a lot of options to have a great time. So on Lazada, you can buy as much as you want. Literally shop till you drop. But then, apart from buying and giving some money to Lazada, there's also an option for you to make money as an affiliate marketer. So Lazada has this affiliate marketing program that you can definitely sign up to in order to make your own money via commissions. How does it work? So this is Lazada homepage, of course, and as you can see, there are a lot of categories here and the things that you can buy from Lazada. So this furthermore implies that you can definitely select any of those products, like it gives you an inkling of the products that you can definitely sell on Lazada if you, of course, launch the affiliate marketing program or you sign up to it. Now let's scroll all the way down till we get to the bottom of this page so we can see how we can sign up to the Lazada affiliate marketing program. Right here under Lazada, you see customer care and then you see Lazada. So right here under, you're going to see the affiliate program and you're going to see the affiliate academy. So the affiliate academy is for you to get all of the resources that you need to be a big guy in the Lazada affiliate program. All right, and then this is the affiliate program itself. So go ahead and click on that, and once you're done, it's going to take you right into the homepage where you can now follow through the processes to sign up, of course, to create an affiliate marketing account. So now it says more income in just 3 steps. What do you have to do? Number 1, promote products by using Lazada link, and then customer buys products from Lazada link, and then Lazada earns commission. So that means if you sign up to the Lazada affiliate program, you're going to be called a Laz affiliate. So promote the link, customer buys it through the link, and then you earn a commission. So scroll the way down and see all the benefits for you. Flexible and unlimited monthly income, Lazada's wide product assortment, and all of these things. Okay, so if you want to sign up, you're going to find the sign up now button. Click on the sign up now button and it's going to take you to a page where you can now create an account. So here it says you've already responded and you can only fill this form once. Try contacting the owner of the form if you think this is a mistake. Now, I tried creating an account in the first place to sign into this affiliate program. And then when I got into this, I was given the form, a Google form to fill out. Now in the Google form, it is self-explanatory process, all right? So you just need to write your name and then what kind of program are you pushing out, and then you're going to be asked to add the website or the social media handle you want to push all of this program, or the social media handle that you want to use to enhance or facilitate your affiliate marketing business on Lazada. And then other things, right? So the form is not difficult. So once you are done filling out the form, just like me, you're gonna have to wait for, I don't know how long you have to wait for them to respond. So it says you've already responded. That's what's going to tell you after filling out the form. So all you need to do is to wait for a response from Lazada so that you can get entrance into the affiliate marketing program. That means if Lazada has reviewed your application and they see or they deem you fit enough for this, then you're definitely going to sign you in. Now, one of the questions you're going to be asked in this Google form is, how many followers do you have in your social media platform? So I chose Instagram and then I told them how many followers I have. So I think they're not satisfied with it. But then if they're satisfied with yours and then they take you right there, or they allow you access into the Lazada affiliate program after reviewing and of course verifying your application, all you need to do is to sit back and relax and watch Lazada take you right into the official website for the affiliate marketing program. So right here, since I'm gonna have access to it right now because I am just still patiently waiting for Lazada to reach out to me, I'm just gonna tell you what exactly to do once you get right into the website. If you got confirmed immediately, I'm gonna tell you what to do once you get right into the website so that you can get your affiliate marketing program started. So all you need to do is to pick a product, all right, in the affiliate marketing site. So pick a product you would like to share. Pick a product and okay, let's even do that. So I'm heading over to the Lazada official page. Let's see what that looks like. So here are products that are available. Just gonna have to click on the product. Let's see, I pick this. So right here in this product, as you can see, here you have the share icon. All right, so go ahead and click on that share icon and say share via Facebook, Pinterest, and whatever. Let's just go ahead and click on Facebook to see that. Copy this link because, of course, you know you don't want to just post it directly on Facebook. So once you have copied this link, once you've copied and you've clicked that, then head over to your Laz affiliate account. So once you get to your Laz affiliate account, go back to your account and then click the Laz affiliate icon you're going to find. So once you click on the Laz affiliate icon, look for the got a product link. You're going to find it there once you click on the Laz affiliate icon, which is usually at the top left corner. Click on got a product link, click on that. And then once you click on that, paste the copied product link to the text box. Okay, so that's this one that you copied, you know, here. So once you copy it, go ahead and post it on the Laz affiliate account. So once you have clicked on got a product link, paste the copied product link in the text box and then click confirm. Now once you've clicked confirm, then the link to your what's it called, the tracking link will be generated. So all you need to do is to copy the promotion link. It's called promotion link on Lazada, or the website is called the tracking link. So go ahead and click on the promotion link, and once you click on the promotion link generated for that particular product, you can now share it to as many people as possible via your social media platforms or your website, your blog, or whatever means you just want to do that, and then share to them. Once they make a buying decision that is favorable to Lazada, then you will get your commission. So this is pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.